Tori. Welcome to my channel, or welcome if you're new. If you watched a few of my videos or this is your first time here and you haven't yet subscribed, I would love for you to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new videos. Also, if you find this video helpful, hitting the like button helps the algorithm and it supports my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make, boom, the smashed canvas. I'm gonna go ahead and walk you through start to finish. This is my first time making it, so I hope that you guys enjoy this video and comment below, let me know. But anyway, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so what we're gonna do today is make a busted canvas. So I'm super excited. We need a canvas, so just a flat canvas, and both of these are 8 by 10, and this one is a stretched canvas. And what that means is it has the wood frame going around in the back. That's the difference. So one looks more 3D and one is just flat. So these are both 8 by 10, got them at the Dollar Tree. So we're gonna use this. We're gonna use Mod Podge, parchment paper, hair dryer, and we are going to use this adorable gift bag that I got from the Dollar Tree, I think like a year or two ago, and I've just had it. It's just so cute. It's one of those things, so cute, but you don't want to use it because it's too cute. You're going to save it for the next person. So anyway, we're going to use this today. And we're going to use, what you want to do is have like two colors that contrast each other. So what I'm going to do is I'm doing 2 red foil, and these are 8 by 10. What I did was I just cut it out on Cricut. I made a square and I just cut each one 8 by 10. It's so much easier than me trying to hand cut. And then this will be my contrast, and this is just a glitter cardstock 8 by 10. Now what we're gonna do is carefully remove these because I'm going to glue them on. So let's do that first. So let's go ahead and remove these adorable little people, and you can use anything to do the busted canvas. You can use a Christmas card. You don't even have to do Christmas. You can do birthdays, Thanksgiving, any holiday, anything. But you can use a card. You can paint it if you want, or just use contrast colors. Whatever you want, you can do. So I really like that they used a foam because it kind of gives it the 3D dimension. I'm going to do that as well. So I'm getting some of my, I think this is foam. Let's see if we have any others. This will work. So I'm going to use foam to put those on. I think it'll be super cute. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this up. And this is my first time making this, but if I can do it, if the video goes well, then you guys can do it. Or you guys could probably just do it more than I could. Okay, this one is the stretched. Set that down, and let's go ahead and open this one as well. So this one is just flat. So I ripped the bag, and I'm just going to place that underneath just in case I make a mess. And again, I'm using Mod Podge, and I don't think it matters if you use matte or gloss. I'm just grabbed a matte, and of course I can't open it. So a little trick I learned from my kids, and I don't know if this is going to work, but they always tell me to do this when I ask for help. Supposedly you put a rubber band on it and then you get a better grip. Let's see if that'll work. But I do think I loosened it. Okay, so I got it open. We did use a rubber band. I asked my son. He's home and he's in college, so he did it. Okay, so I also got this at the Dollar Tree. I got a brush. So let's go ahead and just take it out. And I got this because we are going to put this all on here, and it was that or like a huge paintbrush. So what we're gonna do is take the Mod Podge and we're going to put it on the entire canvas. So let's just dump it a little bit. And you wanna just make sure you get everywhere. So all the corners. And this is kind of a nice brush. It goes really nice, and I think I got a little too much. You don't want to saturate it, but you do want to make sure that you cover every area. Okay, so I did get all of it, but I'm going to put a little bit back because you don't want to have it be like a puddle. like I just had. But I did get all the corners. Okay, that is the first step. The next step is we're going to dry it really good with the hair dryer. You do not want to put the cardstock or whatever you're using, you do not want to put it on yet. Otherwise it'll end up, you know, getting bubbly and blah, blah, blah. Don't want to do that. So we're gonna go ahead and dry it. So you want to make sure it's completely dry, which it is. Maybe that took 3 minutes, 2 minutes, not sure. So the next step is grabbing the cardstock or paper, whatever you want to use, and we're going to go ahead and apply it just on top, just like so. And the next step is using your parchment paper. So let's go ahead, open the parchment paper. You know what I forgot? We need to get like an easy press. We need an iron or an easy press. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay, so I'm going to actually use the Cricut Mini Easy Press, the little one. I just think it'll be a lot easier than getting the big one out. And it looks, I'm putting it on the third line, so 1, 2, 3. And that, I'm looking it up online, it says that the third button is best for thicker materials like cotton, canvas, blah, blah, blah. So that is why we're doing that. Oh, and the reason I said cotton is I watched another person's video and she said to put the iron on cotton. So that's where I got the cotton. I know that didn't make any sense. So we are almost there, and I have this lined up, and we're just going to iron over it. And the dried Mod Podge will actually, when you heat it up, it'll make it sticky again, and that'll make this stick, the cardstock, stick to that. Okay, so it's ready. Let's do that. Let's do it. Okay, let's see. So I'm just gonna go around and around, little circles. And I'm not doing it for a long time. I think I'd just rather go over it just, you know, like once, slowly, you know. I don't know why this got stuck here for some reason. I wonder if I had glue on this. That was my mistake. So I don't know what I did. I must have gotten something on there. So let me pick that off, which is not a big deal because we're just gonna do this the opposite way. So you're not gonna see it, but I must have gotten something on there. Oh yeah, you know what it was? It was, I set this over there, and it was some of the padding, tape. Okay, so that's okay, we'll cover it up or whatnot. All right, so now that that is done, we are going to get the pieces and we're going to apply them here. The next step would be taking Mod Podge and doing the same thing that we just did. But we're not gonna do that. I'm doing it a little bit different because I really like that there's the foam on it. So we're just going to grab some foam and give it a little dimension. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm just gonna apply this. First, let's see. Oh, that's cute. Let's put Santa up like that a little bit. And maybe so. Okay, so let's do the tree. Let's do the tree first. And I'm making sure that I keep this on the board or the canvas. Let's do this. Okay, so this is the part of the canvas that we're going to see through the other canvas. So let's just set this aside. Let's do here to be safe. Now we're going to use this canvas, which is the stretch canvas. And what we're gonna put here is the contrast, which my contrast will be green. So let's go ahead, we're gonna do the Mod Podge again and get the paint brush. And we're just gonna go all in here. Spread that around. Make sure you get everywhere just like you did. Let's see. Okay, next step is taking the blow dryer and we're gonna dry it thoroughly. float. So now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. And oh, dang it. You know what I forgot to do? I forgot, when I measured it, I forgot to measure the part that it goes in there. All right, so that part's smaller. So let's go ahead and just turn it this way really, really quick. And we're going to, now you guys are going to see my cutting skills, which is not that good. Let's do here. Okay. Then, I guess that can make it work. And then here, let's do like right there. Okay, and we almost got it. So let's see. Okay, perfect. And it does not cover the entire thing, but that's okay. And let's go ahead and I'm going to cut this because it had something on it. And we're going to go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to push this down and we're going to iron over here. So let's go ahead and do that. Perfect. So I hardly touched it. So that's perfect. That looks just like this. So that part's done. Now we're ready for the other red one. So we're gonna go ahead, turn this over. We're gonna take the Mod Podge and do the exact same thing now on this side. And I really, really like this brush. I got that at the Dollar Tree. It works really nicely. Okay, and now we're ready to dry that as well. Then we're gonna go ahead and take this, apply it on top, line it up. Then we're going to use this again, the parchment paper, and iron. And let me do a little bit more here and here in the corner. We have this and this. And we have this. So the next step is we're going to go ahead and put this together just like so. So the image that you have is going to go right inside here. So it'll look just like this. So now we're just like this. And the next thing we're going to do is take a scissors and we're going to place a hole where you want your focal point to be. So let me take a look here. So Santa is right here. So let me see here. Let me see. So I think about right here is where I want, because I want it to be Santa. So I'm going to go ahead and have a little mark there. Let's move this aside. So I'm going to go ahead. I have a little mark right there. You can kind of see it. We're going to poke a hole with the scissors. Let me use these to poke a hole. Might be better. Yeah, okay, so we're going to kind of turn it. So we have a little hole and it went all the way through, just like so. So we're just like this, see? Now what we want to do is cut. You want to cut triangles and you want to go around. And from everything that I've read or seen, you probably don't want everything to be the same. You don't want them to all be symmetrical. It'll look better if it's not. So let's go ahead and cut. And this is actually a little bit harder to cut. Let me try these scissors. It looks so easy. Okay, and it could be too because I am so close to here, but that's where my Santa is. So let's go ahead and it could be too because I'm using foil. I'm using the two hardest things, foil cardstock and the glitter. Okay, so I kind of, if you can see here, kind of like a star, kind of. Okay, so let's just do a little bit more. So just a note to myself, I don't think I would use cardstock because it is a little bit harder to cut. And then of course I have my Santa close to the top here, and then you're going to run into this part, the wood. So okay, so now what we do is we're going to bend this over, and then we're going to use a glue gun. So let's just kind of, I'm just going to try to make this a lot bigger. And we are going to glue this down, and I'll show you. Let me just get this heated up. And then I'm going to use a popsicle stick to kind of push it down. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and put a little dot right here. And we're going to push this down and put it just like that. And you can do it all any way that you want. Okay. I'm super excited. I can't wait to see what this looks like. Now we have this, and we're gonna go ahead and take the glue, go around here, and then we're going to apply this on top. And I guess you gotta move fast too, because I know this dries quickly. Let's go ahead, place them on here. Line it up. So cool, you guys. I don't know if I used the right colors, but this is my first one. Okay, so now that this is glued together, we can go ahead and take a ribbon and go around just to kind of clean up those edges. I have glue, so let's do that. Let's get some ribbon. And if you've watched any of my videos, this ribbon is from Michaels when I did the grab bag. Oh my gosh, did I get so much freaking ribbon. I think I wouldn't use the poster board, the foil, because it does get dirty. Okay, and then let's, oh, that looks nice. Let's cut this like so. So I'm thinking like we can roll this back, kind of like this. We're going to use the popsicle stick and hold this down. And then you see the presents. Ooh, that's hot. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and pull this down as well. So let's put some glue like here. I think that already looks so much better. I hope you guys enjoyed my tutorial today. Comment below, let me know what you guys think. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.